Welcome to another episode of Automating Your Company with doForms. My name is John Peronich, and I'm going to be discussing the doForms Electronic Timesheet Manager solution. TSM was designed to help companies accurately collect employee time and generate payroll reports. All time events are collected in real time, which provides the added benefit of total visibility at the back office using the doForms Workforce Manager portal. TSM is based on a number of different time clocks so that companies can choose the clock or clocks that work well for their situation. Time clocks provided include individual clock, so employees can use their own device, wall clock, a centrally mounted device at a facility or on a piece of equipment like a work trailer, the supervisor clock, which allows for one person to capture time for an entire crew, and the browser clock. That's perfect for capturing time for non-mobile employees or third-party contractors. Additionally, several of the time clocks can scan ID badges and read NFC tags. Many of the clocks are status-friendly, meaning they know the last status of an employee, and it offers them appropriate options as they clock various events throughout the day. If your employee is off duty, they will be prompted to go on duty. If on lunch, they will be prompted to go off lunch. This drastically reduces error. If they are using doForms to document work, the form will not let them continue until they go back on duty. TSM works by creating a daily time record for each employee. This record is modified each time a new transaction is submitted. This allows the back office to view a consolidated single record for each employee that is being updated in real time throughout the day. Each time an employee submits a time event, the system automatically captures the GPS coordinates of the event so that the time events can be plotted on the Google map in Workforce Manager, along with tracking data and deform events. This means the doForms map provides the most comprehensive view of your employee's workday. Because TSM is built using the doForms platform, it is super flexible and easily customized. Do you need to capture time on the half hour, every 15 minutes, or adjust up or down? doForms can match the way your company collects time and report it in the same manner. We also know that nobody is perfect and stuff happens. That's why TSM comes with our time adjustment requester system. So let's say they got in on time, but had to stop at HR to fill out a form. The clock will document their actual clock in time, but they can request an adjustment and provide a reason. Their manager will then have the ability to review any requests right from their own mobile device and approve or deny them. Either way, the employee is notified of the status and the time is adjusted accordingly if approved. Now let me show you how it works. First, I will use my individual time clock to go on duty. Notice how the system restricted my options because it knew I was off duty. Now that I've clocked in, let's look in the Workforce Manager portal to see if the system created a new record for me for today. As we could see, the system already updated itself with my new time entry. Let's add another event. Notice the system now provides me with different options. I will now go on lunch. Okay, the record has been updated. When I go off lunch, it will also calculate my lunch duration. If we look at the map, we could see when and where I went on duty and when and where I went on lunch. You can also see my drive into work and where I am stopped. If you use the doForms dispatch system, your form will automatically detect when you arrive at a location, when you depart, and how long you were there. To learn how to do more with doForms time management system, contact us at 855-doForms or email us at sales@doforms.com. Thank you for watching and check back again soon for more great content about doForms.